Hi everyone, my name is Jay. I'm one of the lawyers at Shim Law. Nice to meet you. Today I want to talk about the 5 major steps in the provincial court. I call it 5 major steps, but some lawyers may call 4 steps, 3 steps, 6 steps, but I call it 5, and I'll tell you why. The first step is pleading stage. If you're the plaintiff, you have to file the civil claim. If you're the defendant, then you have to file the defense. The second stage is a mediation. The courthouse will contact both plaintiff and defendant and ask them to be available on the date of mediation. So the purpose of contacting you is to settle outside of the courthouse before going to the trial. So you usually have a meeting with the mediator, trying to talk, trying to settle as much as possible. The mediator is trying to come to an agreement if there is a settlement. So if there is a settlement, the mediator will prepare the agreement and that might be the end of the action. However, if there is no settlement, then the third step is to exchange document. So basically, you have to provide your evidence to the other side, vice versa, if you wish to rely on at trial. If you don't disclose your documents, then it's unlikely that judge will allow you to use that document without disclosing it. So make sure that disclose your documents. The fourth step is called pretrial conference. It's called PTC. During the pretrial conference, you will have another opportunity to discuss and potentially settle in the presence of a judge. So a judge may try his or her best to come to an agreement. If there is an agreement, then it's the end of the proceeding. If there's no agreement, then you have to have a trial date. PTC judge will give you a trial date, and you have to make sure that you are ready for trial. The last step is trial. You have to do your legal research. You have to prepare your questions for witnesses. You have to know what to ask and cross-examine the other side. You have to know how to make submissions. You have to know how to do opening statement, closing statement, and so on. A lot of times when self-rep handles small claims, they start from the first step until the 4th step, right before trial. But it could be that it's overwhelming for self-rep to run the trial by himself or herself. And if that's the case, please contact us and give us enough time to review your case, understand your case, and prepare for your case. And our phone number is 403-476-2011. And have a nice day. Bye.